Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of some Tootsie toy Army airplanes. This is from 1998. How do I know that? Is the copyright right there. There's some cool reading right there. I'm not going to read it because then it will just get a thumbnail. I'm going to hold it still so you can pause and read it. And this is called a hard-body diecast metal tough Dirty Dozen 12th Fighter Squadron P-40 Warhawks. Fun, pure, and simple is the Tootsie toy. And it comes with 4 of them. And I researched this when I first got them. They were going for $25 on eBay. So it was really hard to open them. Today is the day that I open. I'm going to go all the way around the package like this with my finger because it's popping off nice and easily. Then I'm going to flip it upside down and slide that cardboard right out of the way. Put it right over here for now. And let's get it open. See how cool they are. Are they all metal? What I really like about it is there's 4 of them. That is just too cool in itself. Tootsie toy. They are all metal. See if we get a good shot of that. Come on. There it is. Propeller move? It does. Very cool, very cool. Wheels roll. Are they all the same? They are pretty much the same. Actually identical, all 4 of them. They all work well. Let's take this one that we already have out. Did you see the mouth on the side there? That's pretty cool. Alright, let's take this one out that we have out already and see what it does. Nice, I like that. I like that. The wheels roll well. Woohoo! I know you're not supposed to drift a plane, but you can pretend it's like trying to avoid the crash. Can't just push it on the track, it'll flip over. Well, not flip over, spin around. Donuts. Very cool though, I like it a lot. And it's very cool that it comes with 4 of them. I don't know how I could hold them in formation. Maybe on a display. Have them hanging maybe with some fishing wire. That would be cool. Thanks for watching me open them and check them out for the very first time. And please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again. Let me see if I can get a nice shot of these guys. Who can hold them up for me? Maybe Ted Williams? Haha. Like that. Thank you everybody that tuned in and watched me open. Please subscribe. T10 out. Let me just keep it there for a second or 2 or 3 and then we'll do the T10 out. P-40 Warhawks, Dirty Dozen 12th Fighter Squadron. A Tootsie toy. Now T10 out.